Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens app how to transfer prescriptions. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer prescriptions on Walgreens, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Walgreens app, and then inside, once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the prescriptions on the bottom of your options. And once you tap on that, here you'll find an option that says transfer prescriptions. Simply select that, and now you'll see an option to type in medication or RX number. Provide the current pharmacy's name, phone number, so Walgreens can contact them and confirm which Walgreens location you like the prescription sent to. And once done, Walgreens will contact your old pharmacy and handle the transfer, and you'll get a status update in the app when the prescription is ready for pickup. Note that not all prescriptions are eligible for transfer, and transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your old pharmacy. And if you need it urgently, you can call your new Walgreens pharmacy directly after submitting in the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.